Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how you can turn your PowerPoint presentation into video. So for this, I am on the main dashboard of LI. Link is in the description box. You can check it out from there. And here in the right side, you will find this option, create new video with PPT or PDF. Click on this upload option and now upload your presentation. Make sure that your presentation is in PDF form. Now click on create video. It will take few seconds and then you will be directed to a new page. Now here it starts generating your video. Within few seconds your video is here. Now you need to scroll down and here you need to enter the text that is present on this slide. So let's say turn presentations into videos. You need to repeat this procedure for all the slides. So if I click on the second slide here, again here you need to enter the text that is present on the slide. Repeat the same procedure for all the slides and after that simply click on this play button to see how it looks like. And also you can change this avatar, click on it and now from here you can choose the character that suits with your presentation. So let's go with this a business girl or with this casual girl. Once you change this avatar, make sure that you change for all the slides. As you can see, the first one is changed but other one is not. Now to save this video here on the right side, click on this render option. Now click on start render. Here you need to wait and then they will send you an email that your video is ready. So for that, firstly, let's open our Gmail here. Now here you need to refresh your Gmail and there we received an email from Eli. Open it and there your video is ready. Click on it and a new tab will open. Here it will take few seconds to load and after that you can click on the play button to view the video and to download it here you will find this download option. So from there you can easily download your video. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.